Hi guys, today I'm going to be decorating this tree and showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how I put it together. I'm going to start by putting together my tree topper, and then I'll have a few bundles that I will be adding picks and sprays together. Those are the ones that I have hanging off the tree in a zigzag formation. All three of those match. First, let's go ahead and get started on the tree topper. So first I started by just fluffing the tree, just making sure the branches are all spread out. This is what I have to start my tree topper. I'm going to start by layering 2 of these snowy picks. These. Kind of just wrapping these around each other. Okay, and then we've got this little pine cone I'm just going to put right up front here. And I've got this little white berry that I'm going to add right to the front. So these are going to match the little bundles that I'm going to hang off the sides of the tree. So this I'll just stick in the front, and then I will just add these other picks around the top to kind of marry it together. And if you want to, you can just grab one of these wires here and just wrap them together. If you want to just leave them alone so that you can reuse them for other things, then that's okay too. I like to just wrap them together so that they're easy for storage. I can just stick them in my storage containers, and then I have them for easy access next year. So with this, I'm just going to slide this right down this middle pole. And with the branches of the tree, I'll just wrap a couple of these little wire branches around the tree topper.
Don't answer the phone, spending the days on my own, then repeats this for weeks to come. I don't care what I miss, 'cause my life is dismissed. I keep searching for...
Really having a hard time getting the lighting all right, so I hope you guys can see. So I would normally start with adding my bundles. So I'm going to put one here, here, and here, but I've got some really big baskets, so I'm actually going to start placing those baskets first, and then I will put the bundles on top of them. So I've got 3 baskets. I got these from Home Goods. I like these ones that are a little bit curved and have the little handles on them. So I've got 2 this size, and then I got a smaller one that's similar that's going to go up on the top. I'll put another basket down here and another one down here. So with this, I'm just going to lift this branch here and stick that right in there. Just kind of holding one of these branches over this to hold it in place. You can also wire it. I think this branch here is going to hold it in place pretty well. I'm going to go in here with one of my bundles, and I'm just going to hang it off this branch here, hanging off of the basket. Baskets are great. You can add some little presents in there or some holes. I'm leaving mine empty because I feel like I'm gonna have enough going on with the tree that I don't need to add anything in those baskets.
On my mind, it took days to finally start writing songs. Now it's begun. I go oh 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 oh. I go oh 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 oh. I sing along. I keep pushing myself now, deeper a new sound more than ever before. Keeps repeating my phrases to see if it changes rules I've gone before.
So I have one more of these little bundles left. I could add that here, 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 but I think I might add that up on top of the tree topper up there, just to give it a little more pizzazz.
Ooh, baby, it's like the world is on our side. Nothing can bring.
So I'm gonna start with my next round of ornaments that are really large. I've got 2 of these. 2 of these. And 3 of these smaller little snowflakes. I'm gonna start with the 2 larger ones. And I'm gonna go opposite from the basket. So they're 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna do 1 and then probably 1 over here too, with these 2 matching snowflakes. So I'm gonna layer these in the tree. I'm just gonna kind of stick them in there to where they're half in and half out. And I'll just wrap a little tree branch around to hold it in place.
Down tonight, and ooh, baby, when we're together, you and I, your touch sends chills down my spine. Alright, I got a brand new love. Take me away, girl, to a new land.
I put 5 little bundles of ribbon like this together. The ones with the longer tails, I'm going to put up here in the corner. These are very easy, so I'll just show you really quick how I put those together. So these are already pre-cut because I had it on my tree from last year. So I've got this here, 1 loop, put that up like this. And I did the same thing with this. Actually, that's probably an easier way to show you. Just crisscross that, hook them. These ones are super easy. Same with this, hook it. And attach it to the back there. Put it in the middle. And so all of these bows are super different. So some are gonna have black in the front, some will have this in front, some will have this in front. So I'm just gonna maneuver all of these bows so that they are a little bit different. Some are gonna have longer tails than the others. You could wire these, or if you're like me, I like to change things up, so I'm not wiring it. I'm just gonna stick it in the tree and wrap a little tree branch around this area in the middle.
It's not the first time that I'm happy. It's not the first time I feel good. But but it's been a while since that happened. Knock on wood. I try to stay cool on the surface. I'd ask you to stay if I could. Though my lips are sealed, you still get me. Yeah, you do.
I've got 4 of these really big, large glass bulbs. I've just got some wire hooked to these hooks right here, and I will just wrap them right around the tree branches. These are gonna go further inside of the tree.
Of hours away from love, so kiss me again and again and again. Just give me goosebumps. Ooh, 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 ooh.
I've got 2 of these. I'm gonna make sure that the lines are going this way. And I've got 3 of these amber glass bulbs.
Oh, feeling good. And if we move too fast, I will tell you. I'll ask you to.
Got 2 of these, and I'm gonna put them up top next to each other up by the bow and kind of have them hanging like this.
Carols being sung, it's Christmas. The fire crackling gently all the while. Snow is falling down. Guess everything's just right. But I'll be wishing you were here with me. Everywhere I go is Christmas. A town filled with wonder and delight. The season to rejoice brings everybody close. But I'll be missing you right next to me. Feels kinda lonely when you're a million miles away. But maybe there's a star to lead the way. 'Cause I wanna hold you when Santa's coming around, and kiss you right beneath that mistletoe.
Now I'm gonna go in with my accent ribbon. I've got this suede color that I'm gonna do a 3-loop bow. And I'm just gonna do a couple of these with some small tails on the one side, and then I'll cut this off about right here. And I'm just gonna stick these in the tree here and there just for a little pop. I'm gonna add one right up there to the tree topper bow. And I don't have a whole lot of this left, so I need at least 3 because I wanted an odd number. So I'm just gonna do one little loop and stick it right in there. Thanks you guys so much for joining along with me today on my tree decorate with bee video. I hope you got a lot of inspiration and some ideas to use for your Christmas decor this year. Stay tuned, we're gonna have a lot more Christmas videos out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Bye guys.